So we're now back from our trip. We've been back almost a month, and I have been dragging my feet doing this video, putting it together and editing it, but I am starting it now and am completing the first day. One thing I'm finding is that I don't have as many videos in there as I want, and so this is really a learning process for us. So hopefully as I go along, I'll find that I have more in some of the other cities. The first video is very short. And as we do more of these, we'll get better, and as I edit them, I'll find out what I need to shoot more of. So just hang with us and stay tuned. Hey everybody, today is the day that we are going to Dallas. We are finishing packing up the house. We have neck pillows on and ready to go. Our poor dog is here, and she is not wanting us to go. We have somebody coming by later today to get her, and here comes Rebecca, and I think we're about ready to go. All right, we've left home now and are headed to Dallas. I started this at a red light, and now it is green, so I need to get off. We have made it to Dallas and to our hotel room. We are staying at the La Quinta Ulysses, something like that. Anna doesn't think that's the way I say it with how she's laughing at me. Here's a little look around the room. We have 2 queen beds. This is what everybody is doing today, till we go eat dinner in just a little bit. Here is the bathroom. And it has a really nice pool. I haven't seen it yet, but Nolan and Rebecca went down and saw it earlier today. This is where we will hang out until our flight tomorrow. At 4:40. At 4:40 in the afternoon. So stay tuned.